Hello guys, in this video we are going to solve another problem or question in LeetCode, and that is the Roman to integer 13. Let's see what's the question. Roman numerals are represented by 7 different symbols. Okay, and these are the symbols, so the equivalent of each one are these. Okay, for example, 2 is written as these. In Roman numeral, just 2 ones added together. 12 is written as XYY, which is simply x plus II. The number 27 is written as XX. XX is 20, and we have V, which is 5, and double I, which is 1 plus 1, which is yes, this. Roman numerals are usually written largest to smallest from left to right. However, the numeral 4 is not this. Instead, the number 4 is written as IV. Because the 1 is before the 5, we subtract it, making 4. The same principle applies to the number 9, which is written as this. Okay, there are 6 instances where subtraction is used. I can be placed before V, 5, and X. Okay, so before V and X we can use I. So it means that we are not allowed to use I before L or C or D or M. And X can be placed before L and C. So we can use X before L and C, not D or M. And C before D and M. Okay, given a Roman numeral, convert it to an integer. Okay, for example, if we have this, we should convert it to this. Okay, and for this we should convert it to this. Okay, how can we solve this problem? I think I should make a loop on each character and for example in this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, and the problem is that in some situation we should subtract one number from another one. For example, here we have LV, L which is 50 and V which is 5 and 3. Okay, so it is 58. Okay, but here we have MCM XCIV XC. It says that M is 1000, and then CM is 900. Why? Because we have M, which is 1000, and 100 subtract from 100 will be 900. Okay, and XC. Okay, so what do you think if we make a loop from this direction? For example, V. Okay, if we consider this as a number, what are these? Okay, maybe I can use VS Code. Okay, I think I index.php. Okay, here now we can use this. Okay, we have PHP. Let me copy the I'm not familiar with this syntax. What is this? Oh, it's because it's not PHP. Okay. Okay. So we have solution, new solution, and we have these. Let me get the hardest one, the most difficult. So we should echo so Roman 2 ints and excuse me. Okay. Here we should make a loop on the character of this string. Okay, so we will say for I equals 0, and while I is less than this I plus plus. Okay, and here we can say that result is, for example, 0. Okay. Here we can say that letters or Roman letters is, let me check. We have these letters, okay. Okay, and okay. Here I think we should str to upper S, and we can say that result would be S I, okay, from Roman letters, okay. So we have all of this. For example, for this, if I say we have nothing because we don't return anything. Return result. Okay. Okay, we have this. But for this, we have this, which is not correct. Okay. We should handle these here. Okay. The first one says if I is before we can solve this problem in a different way. For example, the first one is we can save last letter as this and check um, if last letter is in V and X, I think I'm going to solve this in another way. I'm going to solve it in this way. IV is 4, I think. and ix is 9. Okay, and xl is xl is 50, not 50, excuse me, 40, and xc is 90, and cd is this, and cm is this. Okay, now we can check if self, yes, this, and here we say last letter and this. Okay, if the last letter and current letter, which is this, or exist in this array, it means that we have it. So result must be add this. But if not, it must be something like this. I'm not sure that it works or not, but let me see. No, it must be 1994. So let me see what is the problem here. In array, okay, because we shouldn't use in array, we should use array key exists. Excuse me. No, let me check this. What is this? The first one is key. Okay, so, oh, excuse me, I didn't update the last letter. So here the last letter would be S and I. Okay, now it's not correct. Why? So the problem is that when we for example here these and these and these, so when we add this, we shouldn't add we shouldn't consider M. What's going on here? Let's log. Okay, the first one would be, let me here. Okay, and also here we have these. I think we should use rn and rn here. MC. Okay, the problem is that we add c one time, and then we will add cm again. We add cx and then xc. Okay, which is not we don't have xcs, which is not correct, which is not good. So how we can handle this? We have m and then ccm. Do you think we should solve the problem from here? Okay, let me see how I manually solve this. I will say, what is this? This is m. Okay, so I will add it to sum. Okay, for example, result. For example, I will write m, which is 1000. Okay, and then I will go to C and check if there is any I think there is a simple way to solve this. CMX last letter. Solution Roman to int. MCX XC, and I think I can do something. Okay, and here I can say it's very messy, but I think it's works. This from last letter. Okay, and it works. It is so messy, but it works. What is the problem here? 35 and define array key this. Okay, So if last letter this, okay, so now what about these? Okay, and what about this? It must be okay, I think. Yes. Okay, let's submit. First we can run test. It says that expecting end of the file in solution. What is the problem here? Okay, because I changed the okay and submit. I think there is an extra calculation or computation here. So, but I think it's not that bad. We solved the problem. It's not that bad, but absolutely, or you're sure that we can do it better. But this is for this video. I don't wanted to go further or make this better or improve it, so you can do it very better, I think. This was for today, and I hope you enjoy it, and see you in the next video.